Okay, so I'm still in my backend Flask server. So I want to show you that yes, it is not accessible from outside world. We know the reasons because it is running in a private subnet, but we still can see if the Flask application is running or not. So I'm going to access it internally, call, and we have so it will resolve this hostname backend Flask server to its IP address, backend Flask server on a port 8000. We can see it's running. That's good. So this is it. Now we go to our front end and tackle with configuring Apache to act as a reverse proxy server. We can exit from here, and now we are in our front end, the EC2 instance. So first thing, let's update this. Sudo su. Okay. Now after update, I would like to give it a host name, something that I can relate to. So host name ctl set host name front end Apache server, and also let's provide this internal IP address and update that, and let's update it. Nano, let's see, first file, and name of our server is front end Apache server. So I would also like to update, I also need to update the host name of backend. So let's go to our backend and let's grab its private IP address, and the name we gave it is backend Flask server. Let's save it. Now let's go ahead and install Apache. apt install Apache. Okay, so let's go to configure Apache configuration, which is at Apache 2 sites available, and let's give it a name, flags app.conf. which is, and I'm going to my GitHub repo and grab the configuration that I need. So we will be accessing our server is, let's say, demo. We can change this IP address to the name, host name of the backend server, which is backend Flask server. Same thing with this, backend Flask server. You can copy, you can save this, and let's enable this configuration. cd etc Apache 2 sites available. Before I enable this configure, I need to install enable few modules that I need for my Apache to act as reverse proxy. That's Apache to enable mod proxy, Apache to enable mod proxy. Okay, it's working. Apache to enable mod proxy HTTP. Okay, and now finally I can enable my site, which is sudo root enable Apache to enable site flagship. Now I can restart the service. Systemctl restart Apache 2 and systemctl status Apache 2 is up and running. That's good news. So now what I can do is I will grab the public IP address of this server and register the domain name which we just used here. So we have this demo.provinkc.com. So I need to register this domain name and that domain name targets the IP address of this server, which is public IP address. That I can do from here. So I just need to create, this is my name chip and this is my domain provinkc.com. So I'm going to create a new record, a record, and I will use demo, and I need a public IP address of the server, front end. This is the public IP address, and update here and save it. Okay, so after this, let's go back. We can exit from here and we can actually exit from this too. And let me try to access our front end from the browser. HTTP. This is demo.provinkc.com. Maybe delete this record just and demo 327275 is the right, front end 327275. Yeah, that looks right. And okay, now access. It takes some time to propagate. Demo.provinkc.com. Did I miss something? CD, let's see, Apache 2 sites available. That's the server name. So server name hasn't been resolved. So how can we confirm that? We can try here demo.provinkc.com. Yeah, So this okay, so what I need to do at the moment is copy this public IP address, log in, and sudo, I don't need that, sudo su Flax app. So since my domain name hasn't resolved to the public IP address, I'm going to use the public IP address, and I need to restart Apache server system ctl restart Apache 2 and check status Apache 2. Good. Now I think I exit and exit. So let me try to access from the browser. Of course, don't put any hope here. Voila. Hello, this is the Flax app running on a dedicated server. So you see, now there you go. We have our Apache running in the public subnet, acting as a reverse proxy, and forwarding our request to the backend Flax server. So this completes the demonstration of the modular web model in AWS platform. Thanks for watching.